welcome back to my channel. It's Taya Nicole here, back with another video. Yesterday was a very stressful day for me. I didn't really have a good Valentine's Day. When I was getting ready, I just had like this gut feeling that something was going to happen, and something did happen, and I received a call and I got some news, and now I think I need to sue somebody. Just a lot going on right now. I really wanted to talk in this video, like throughout the entire process. I wanted to sit down and talk with you guys, but since I was like kind of going through it, I was kind of like, nah, like let me just do a voiceover. I just didn't feel like talking. I was kind of upset yesterday. I'm feeling a lot better today. You just gotta keep moving forward. It's life. So anyways, in today's video, we're gonna be blow drying and trimming my hair and also styling. This is the finished results. As you guys can see, I did like a little braid out. So I wanna sit here and just talk to you guys about the process. Blow drying took forever. I tried this new technique. Out of all my years of blow drying my hair, I always had like a comb attachment or my paddle brush blow dryer. I always used that. I felt like it took me longer to do my hair. Like I wanted to give up. I really did. But I feel like doing it that way, I didn't lose as much hair as I would if I would have used my paddle brush blow dryer. I feel like it's just ripping my hair out. This new technique for me, I know stylists, they do it all the time. They use like the concentration nozzle and like a diamond brush or a paddle brush or whatever brush, and then they, you know, blow dry your hair. And I found it so difficult because every time I would get caught in a knot, I would have to turn off the blow dryer, detangle. It was just too much. That's why I wear my hair in wash and goes most of the time, because blow drying just takes way too long. And I did my hair on the floor. Oh my gosh, my back was in so much pain. The light that was my ring light was just flashing me in my eyes. I was just irritated. I was just done with the day. But you know, I still wanted to get this video out for you guys, and I didn't give up. I wanted to upload this video. I made that commitment and I went forward for it, you know? So, when I was blow drying my hair, I also bought some new products as well. Oh, and the blow dryer is new too, but it's kind of like a little cheap rink-a-dink blow dryer. It's a Remington blow dryer, you know. It was like $16 at Target. So anyways, yeah, it was just like a little simple blow dryer. The blow dryer I do have, I couldn't find the concentration nozzle, so yeah, I just went out and just bought a whole new blow dryer. What I didn't like about the blow dryer, it didn't heat up. Well, maybe it's because I was using it on medium heat. I did use medium heat throughout this entire process, but yeah, I felt like it didn't get as hot as I wanted it to, but I didn't want heat damage either. I should have just put it on the highest setting, but it was kind of hot. So yeah, it was kind of hot in here. So the products I used the what is it called? It's called SGX NYC. I don't know if anyone heard of these products, but they had a heat protectant spray and what I thought was a blowout cream. Apparently it wasn't a blowout cream. It was a heat-free, just something for your curly hair. I just used it as a blowout cream still. I don't think I would ever be using it on my curly hair because I don't really like the scent of it. So after blow drying, trimmed my hair. And it was kind of hard to get the angles, like, because like I said, I do record on my phone. I tried to use the camera that my husband has, but his the mic on his camera kind of sucks, and I don't have like a little mic that I could use so that the sound could be better. So that was kind of out. I was trying to get the angles. I was trying to like zoom in at the important parts and zoom out so you guys can see like the full thing. So it's kind of shaky a little bit. My camera skills are not the best, but I'm trying. There were some scenes where it was kind of cut out. I'm gonna try to make sure when I'm editing this video that I get the proper scenes. My ends were really bad. Like there were some parts, especially like towards the middle of my hair, it's very short compared to the rest of my hair. The middle of my hair, you'll see it in the video. I don't know if you guys can see right now, but towards the middle of my hair, I have a lot of breakage, especially at the top right here, the crown. I have a lot of breakage here because I love my high puffs. I need to stop wearing those high puffs, but I need to wear my hair up at work because I can't have my hair down because it could possibly get into someone's food, and I'd be damned if somebody's yelling at me. The low pony, it kind of makes me like a little boy. That's why I don't really wear my hair low. But I tried to do like some like half up, half down styles and stuff, but you know, most my go-to is a high puff. After trimming, I started to braid my hair. I braided my hair off camera because like I said, guys, I was tired. My back was in so much pain. I just wanted to sit on the couch and just braid my hair. I have a video up of how I like, you know, braid my hair and stuff for my braid out. So if you guys want to see that, you know, go follow your girl, go subscribe to her channel and watch my braid out video. So yeah, I showed you guys what it looked like after I finished braiding my hair. I only use one product for this braid out. I just used some styling mousse, the Design Essentials styling mousse. And then I tried to coil the ends a little bit, but you know, like they were kind of dry. I have flexi rods, but I didn't feel like grabbing them. I was tired. So I kind of twirled it around my finger, and then some of the ends were still kind of thin, so I did another trim at the end. I don't know if I don't think I showed you guys that. I showed you guys the takedown.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
And I showed you guys what it looked like before I picked it out. I picked it off camera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social medias, that'll be down below, and just have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.